Lemon Giggles.
Welcome to another day in the random blind bag basket. Let's see how many we're going to open. Ah! Flying away. I'm going to pick the middle one. 4. Alright. Mini Boos. Sea-Punk. Frenzies. I am not sure what these are, but they looked super cute. The box did, so I grabbed them. Oh, another Halloween Happy Places. I thought I'd got all these out. I guess not. My Little Pony. Okay, I am going to open My Little Pony first. Let's see. You get a sneak peek. That's everybody you can get. And it looks like we have Rainbow Wishes. Let's check her out. Oh my gosh, what pretty colors. Cute. Okay, I'm going to open Happy Places. Super excited about opening the Mini Boos and the Sea-Punk Frenzies. I have never opened those before, so I'm curious what they are. Here's our tile. Oh, actually, I am going to pop open the box real quick. There we go. There shouldn't be too many of these. Every time I think I've gotten them all out, I find another one. Okay. Ah, it doesn't want its hair. There we go. Okay, we've got the sundae. Oh, does that look delicious or what? Mmm. And the sundae spoon. We can put it right there and back. Look at that. Cute. And the sundae tray. It's a yummy, delicious ice cream sundae. Look. Ah, I love it. That is super awesome. Okay, yay. I am going to open the... Which one do I want to open? I'm going to open the Mini Boos. And this one has got a ton of tape. Let's see if I got it all. Yeah, I did. Okay, and here's the collector guide. There's 12 to collect. Look how adorable they are. Oh, Sammy looks... Oh, look at that. Ah! And then there's a mystery chaser. Oh, look at Fantasia. Cute. Who do we have? We have Coconut. Oh, he's so fuzzy and soft. Look at him. How adorable. Oh my gosh. Look at the little tip of his tail is the same color as inside his ears. And the same color as his eyes. And the teeny tiny little tie tag. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it. Now I get to open this. Don't know what it is, but we're going to find out. And I'm going to use my scissors. What is it? Come on. There we go. Okay. Sea-Punk Frenzies. Okay, well here's everybody we can collect. Look at these guys. Coralina, Pyrotaco, Jellycat. Oh, I want Jellycat. Narwhally. Look at all those. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, it's tiny. Oh, we got Narwhally. Look at that. Wow, that's pretty awesome. Look at this guy. That's super cool. I like that. Okay, guys, my favorite is going to be Coconut. He's so fuzzy and cute with his big eyes. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe. It's free, so you never miss an episode of the Random Blind Bag Basket. I will see you in the next video.